Good morning. Welcome to the session of Social Science. Today, I am dealing with the 8th standard, 3rd chapter, In Search of Earth's Secret. Let's discuss sources of the Earth's interior, layers of the Earth, lithosphere, asthenosphere, different types of rocks and rock cycle. Earth is full of wonders. It is the only planet where life exists. Nearly 71% of the Earth is covered with water. That is why Earth is always called as the blue planet or the watery planet. Lot of information is collected regarding the surface of the Earth, but very little information is collected regarding the interior of the Earth. Why is it so? Temperature and pressure inside the Earth is increasing. There is variation in the pressure because of the weight of the overlying layers. The temperature inside the Earth is 5000 degrees Celsius. Remember, even iron melts at 1538 degrees Celsius. So we can just imagine how hot the Earth is in the interior. That is why it is very difficult to collect the mysteries of the Earth directly. Then how do we collect the information regarding the Earth's interior? There are different sources in order to collect the information of the Earth's interior. First of all, they study the materials that come out of the volcanic eruption. Second, they collect the data from the mines. Third, they study the seismic waves that generate earthquakes. All these are analyzed and they get the information of the Earth's interior. Based on the seismic waves generated during earthquakes, Earth is divided into 3 layers: the crust, the mantle and the core. Crust is the outermost layer of the Earth. Its thickness is 40 kilometers. It is made up of 2 parts, that is the continental crust as well as the oceanic crust. Continental crust is made up of silica and alumina. It is also called as Cl. Oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium and it is also called as Sima. Just below the crust you have the mantle. It extends around 2900 kilometers from the crust. It is made up of 2 parts, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. The upper mantle is made up of silicon compounds and it is in a solid state. Just below the upper mantle you have the lower mantle and it is in a semi-liquid state. In the center you have the core. It extends from 2900 kilometers to 6731 kilometers. It has got 2 parts, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core is in a molten state. The inner core, due to high pressure, it is in a solid state and it is made up of minerals, nickel and iron. So it is also called as Nephe. Next, let us go to lithosphere. The crust plus the upper part of the mantle is called as lithosphere. Asthenosphere. Just below the lithosphere, you have the asthenosphere. Here the materials exist in a molten state and it is the source of lava, rocks. Lithos means rocks. Rocks are of various colors and hardness. It is because of its constituents. Then what are constituents? Constituents means minerals. Rocks are made of different types of minerals. The different types of minerals identified on the earth are silica, mica, bauxite, hematite. You can have a look at the picture here. The different types of rocks are, it is divided into 3: igneous rock, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are formed from the molten rock material that comes out of the fissure of the crust. It is also called as primary rocks because all the other rocks are formed from the igneous rocks. These rocks, as it come out from the fissure, it may get solidified in the interior of the earth or on the surface of the earth. An example for igneous rock is granite and basalt. The second one, sedimentary rocks. Rocks undergo weathering. The debris, means the waste, get collected in the lower regions in layers. Then it gets lithified and it transforms into sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are also called as stratified rocks because it is collected in layers. And the example for sedimentary rock is sandstone and limestone. The third one, metamorphic rocks. Rocks undergo physical and chemical changes. It is because of high temperature and pressure. That is how the metamorphic rocks are formed. Example is marble and stone. Next, let us go to rock cycle. Rocks always do not remain of the same origin. Changes keep on occurring. That is called as rock cycle. Igneous rocks disintegrate, change into sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks again change into metamorphic rocks. So this cycle keeps on continuing. That is called as rock cycle. So today we have discussed with sources of Earth's interior, layers of the Earth, asthenosphere, lithosphere, different types of rocks, rock cycle. Thank you.